Hello and welcome on my channel. It is freaking cold today. We have minus 7 degrees Celsius, and of course the water in the aviary, the water for the bird, is frozen. Yeah, let's have a look. Yeah, you can turn it around. Yeah, this is a solid block of ice, and therefore it is useless. Yeah, birds would like to drink water and they do not want to eat ice. So wild birds maybe can fly to a river or to an industrial area where the water is warm and get something to drink there, but here in the aviary they need liquid warm water. So let's have a look at the bird bath, and astonishingly this water is not frozen. We have a pleasant degree of 18 degrees Celsius going towards 20. Yeah, the water is pleasantly warm, and this is not a surprise because there is a candle light underneath that prevents the ice from freezing. And in this video I would like to show you how you can easily build such a very useful little stuff completely by your own without spending much money. All you need is a power drill like this one, a so-called drill for tiles, but as I have already said, you can also use a regular stone drill. Then the so-called saucer to hold the water. Then a candle that you usually put on graves, yeah, they last up to 4 days. And of course the flower pot. I prefer the model with a strong rim. Well, I have just drilled a line of holes underneath the rim here. Yeah, and I'm going to drill a second line of holes at the bottom of the flower pot. Here you can see again the drill for tiles. You can also use, as I have said, a simple stone drill if you don't push too hard, so nothing should happen. Well, that one was a bit high. Well, the idea is that the fresh air with oxygen goes in here, makes the air warm. Yeah, warm air goes upwards. Yeah, it can heat the water, yeah, make it warm, keep it liquid, and can leave the pot through the holes underneath the rim. So in this area here we can store the warm air. So, and that's what we are going to do all the way around. That's what it looks like when it's finished. 2 lines of holes, one at the bottom and another one underneath the rim. Now we can put in the candle light and light it, as a matter of fact. Here the flame is burning and we can put on the saucer, yeah, that perfectly fits on that flower pot. It's not absolutely necessary that it perfectly fits, but it is better. And then we pour the water in. that will certainly not freeze because of the warm candle underneath. It is already warm, and the wild birds in the garden can come and drink or take a warm bath, or you put it in your aviary, as I have already mentioned. It's important that the candle is either in a glass or in one of these plastic covers, because if you put in a naked candle, it will melt away in the heat. So that's all for today. It's getting chilly out here. I need to go in to warm up. Yeah, that was a little thing with a big effect. If you have liked it, give me a thumb up or subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Bye bye.